Hello, good afternoon. So namaste from Thamel, the touristic hub of Nepal. Uh, Nepal is the land of top of the world and the birthplace of Lord Buddha. Those people, those tourists who visit Nepal, who go to Himalaya, first of all, their arrival areas will be in this area. So this place is called Thamel. It is a touristic hub of Nepal. I've been so many shops, so many restaurants, so many hotels, so many international fusion restaurants, massage, spa, and so many things. So it is occupied here in Thamel. So this is the main street. So from here, later I will show you the around the areas, the place. So now I am going to show you the place where our client lives. Actually, we bring our client, so we have to keep them in the good hotel. That's why it is situated nearby. Because our client, they cannot stay out of Thamel because this is the touristic center. This is the touristic hub of Nepal. They want to enjoy. They want to even walk themselves to this area. That's why they are free to walk around. That's why we choose the place. Hotel is just nearby. Let's go to see the hotel. So this is called Hotel Thamel. This is one of the popular and well-known hotel in Kathmandu, located in Central Park, having altogether 45 rooms. So this is neat and clean. Due to pandemic COVID, right now we don't have the foreigners, we don't have domestic tourists, even the foreign tourists. So during your arrival in Kathmandu, so we heartily welcome to you in the land of Thamel, and we keep here in this hotel. Now we are going to see the rooms, how the dining room occupies, how the sleeping room occupies, how they provide breakfast, how the lobby is. So it is the, we can see, this is called Thamel. That's one. So you can see, so these are the lobby, this beautiful lobby here. So when the client comes at that time, they can wait here. So these are the ladders to go up. So those people who became unable to climb by the ladder, even we have the lift also, even they can use the lift. So even it goes to the till 4th and the 5th floor. So now I'm going to show you some rooms. So these are the keys. And now it's nobody here because this is the lockdown time. Even we don't have a tourist. Maybe we should have to call some people. Namaste. So would you please give me the key? So would you please give me the twin room, please? Twin room or something like this? What do you want? One more. Do you have in the first floor or second floor? Because this is the full floor.
First floor we don't have. Not really.
Okay, so this is a key is gifted by the receptionist. So now I'm going to show you the room. It's called Hotel Thamel. Let's go to. Okay, so you can see I'm still planning up because we don't have the people those who come to Nepal, they go to trekking also. So this kind of climbing stairs gives us the motivations to climb. Let's say it's 4 or 7. So this is our room. You can see the twin bed here with the telephones. We have a balcony also from here. So you can see the beautiful view from here, from balcony. So they can have rest, even the couple, they can have a rest, they can have a talk about the area. So you can see the good view of the views around the buildings. This is the restroom inside. Likewise, the same time, I am going to show you the other room for 09. Yes, you can see the quite big bed. You see the room. So this is also beautiful. So those people who comes here to celebrate honeymoon, like the family couples, even they can sleep here. So now we go back. So we saw the room in 4th floor. Now we are coming down. We are going down. So is our big client. We have the people. They are arriving in Nepal. So only one hotel is not possible to keep. There are other hotels. I am going to show you the other hotel too. So let's see the where we eat the breakfast. This is the place where our client they take the breakfast to. So it's empty. It's a neat and clean. It's a very clean place. So now moving out from this hotel. So near Hotel Thamel, there is also another hotel. It's called Samsara. It is just nearby. So even our client, when they stay in Thamel, when they don't have a proper room, we keep in another hotel also. It's just nearby. It's just like a 10-meter far from here.
So when there is more client, we keep in another hotel also nearby, 10-meter, Hotel Samsara.
So welcome to the Samsara Hotel. This is also one of the popular hotel in Thamel, having a beautiful garden. The beautiful things is that Thamel is the touristic hub of Nepal, having so many things. It is so many congested, narrow roads, buildings, so many things. But this kind of garden you cannot see in other hotel, because that's why our clients, they can freely stay here. Even there's a Wi-Fi zone, free Wi-Fi zone. They can take a breakfast even here also. They can talk from their own way. That's why they are free to walk around. There are beautiful flowers. Even they can take a photograph. And even you can see the Hotel Thamel is nearby. We just visited before. That's why this hotel and this hotel is just together. That's why our client, if they want to meet each other, they can very easily can communicate and they can get. So you can see our garden. It's beautiful flowers. So this is a place where we take breakfast, lunch and dinner also. So because you know if there is any not enough places to eat dinner inside, even our client take a dinner here. Even they can take a music also. Some people they like the music, some fun, some gathering, some meeting center, even they can take here. So we are going to visit inside. Do some setup. So would you please give me the key? I want to check the room, please. If possible, to give the twins here. So this hotel includes altogether 35 rooms. That's why 70 people can occupy here. Next hotel that we visited, this is called Hotel Thamel. There are 45 rooms where 90 people can occupy there. That's why if there is a big group, even soon we will visit another hotel. It's called Hotel Yak. There are three hotels together. That's why it's very easy to stay 200 people nearby. That's why it's very comfortable for our clients to walk around, to meet each other, and for their security also. These three hotels is the perfect to stay in Thamel. Just two people. 103 and 21. Okay, let's go. So even here is lift, but we don't use lift. If those people who don't like to, who cannot climb these stairs, they can use lift also, but we can walk. So we are walking up. So now we are in the second floor. I am going to swim the room of second floor, 201 plus. Even you can see the good passage with the good view in the background.
Going difficult to open.
It's difficult to open for this. Yeah. So even here you can see the twin room. Is the twin one. They have a TV also. So you can see the toilet here, restroom. So we are going to show you the 103. So and the room. So this hotel is up to 5 floors. That's why even from the top of the roof, if the weather is clean, you can see the Himalaya. It's a very interesting thing. You can see the Himalaya is called Langtang, which is 7,000 meter high mountain. You can see on the top of the roof. So later on we will go there. Yeah. So I will show you the So here you can see the three room. They have, I think they are still going to renovate it. That means even our 3 people can stay here, triple room. Some people they would like to stay triple. Even you can see the triple room also. So is the toilet and bathrooms. Okay, so now we're heading down. So we are going to see the kitchen when we take our breakfast. So this is the place where our client can take breakfast. There is a buffet here. So we can use the buffet breakfast here. Starting from this place to the buffet. It is starting from 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and they can have take a breakfast here. Still there is a bar room, still bar section. So even our people can take a breakfast here. And those, if there's many people at the same time, so before I show you the beautiful garden, even our people can eat in the garden also, because where garden occupies around 100 people. So now goodbye the Hotel Samsara. Now we are going to show you another hotel. It's called Flying Yak. So when you check out from the hotel, if the people, if the client, they want to walk around, if they want to move around, if they want to take their time fresh, it's just nearby to walk to the Thamel. It's just like a 200-meter far to the main street. The Hotel Thamel, it we visited before, and the Hotel Samsara is nearby. We had visited. These two hotels are the best hotel in Thamel, around 3-star category, which are located in the center part of Thamel. That's why we choose this hotel to keep our client. This is also nearby. Third hotel is called Flying Yak. Actually, we don't go inside, but this hotel also occupies 30 rooms. So our 60 people can stay here also. It's also newly built. It's very beautiful rooms inside too. That's why 3 hotel is called Flying Yak, Hotel Thamel, and the Samsara. In this in these 3 hotels, around 200 people can sleep and can stay. So let's go just we sit inside. Just to see the territory of this hotel is called Flying Yak. So where the outline. So they take breakfast here. This is a newly made hotel. Unfortunately, due to COVID, because the owner became unable to put their client, because I think soon we are going to keep you in this hotel. This is new hotel. It's called Flying Yak. So rest of this, now I am going to show you the Thamel, because before I explain what is the Thamel, what are the sections that is situated in the Thamel, because we are in the different roads. Now I am going to show you the main street around here. So from here, we walk 5 to 10 minutes to reach another sections that is called Holy Himalaya, because there is also, because this is the touristic hub and this area occupies so many hotels. That's why we are going to show you the Holy Himalaya. Here are so many shops. You can see, for example, this kind of shops. You see the jackets, down jackets. So those people who go to mountaineering, who go to trekking in the Himalayas, they can rent sleeping bag, down jacket, trekking boots, their clothes, you know. So that's why even they can buy, even they can rent. That's why these kind of shops, for example, like a North Face company, like a Himalayan company, these are branded things even you can get here. So our people can buy, our people can see. After they live in hotel, they can move out and they can see this kind of thing. Tamil is narrow roads because you cannot see the big roads here. You can see the car, motorbike, and some places you can see the rickshaws. The rickshaws are the old transport. That's why the big vehicle is not allowed in. When the big group comes, we keep our clients out of the main street and we walk because it's a very peaceful walk. That's why this. Even the domestic tourists, if they want to chill out, as I said you before, if they want to hang out, normally in a Friday, the street is too busy because even the families, honeymoon couples, the trekkers, mountaineering people, they all come and they stay here in Thamel and to walk around, to refresh it, to buy the things, to enjoy from their own things. For example, you can see this kind of crafts. These are built in Himalayas from mountain goat because mountains they live in Himalayas. Normally the hair of goat they will take out and they just build this kind of scraps. It is also called pashmina. So where our client can also buy, can also see this kind of crafts also. So where I can see now the tea shop, you know, you are in Nepal, is very famous to take the tea, Ilam tea, masala tea, black tea, lemon tea, because in Ilam it grows. It's a natural herb. That's why you can see the tea shop, where you can see the many teas here. We are walking ahead. Of Newari. Newari are those people who are inhabitants, real classical people of Kathmandu. And it was their house. Unfortunately, in 2015, there was earthquake, disaster. Due to earthquake, the house was getting destroyed. That's why they rebuilt the new house. Maybe they are planning to make commercial house also. So old people, classical people who are the inhabitants of Thamel, they are called Newari. That's why the old name of Thamel is also called Tahiti. When they speak their own language, we don't understand because we are not from this area. We are the migrant people. That's why those who are the owner of this area, we are the Newari people. But those who are working in the commercial sector like us, so we are migrants. You can see this kind of things like this is the trek and expedition company, like a travel company. Even you can see so many trek companies here, travel companies here. So I can see the massage center here. Normally the trekkers, when they go to the Himalaya, after they come back to the Kathmandu, they want to take a remove from their tiredness. That's why they go to the spa. They go to the massage center. That's why this is also very popular. Normally those people who go in Himalayas, mountain expedition, trekkers group, so they take a massage here after they finish trekking. I can see the massage center. It's a hotel, still the hotel Serenity. Still they are waiting the tourists also. Because of pandemic we are not seeing tourists. So I'm freely walking. It's very nice to walk. Myself, I'm enjoying myself too. This kind of handicraft. These are the souvenir of handicraft, you can see. These are made by handmade. This is a woolen one made by handmade. It is also built in Nepal. So these kind of shops are also still waiting tourists. Because our people, when the tourists come here, they are not coming for a visit. They are not coming for a trek. They have multiple sections, like things to buy, things to see. Even you can see here the stone art, this kind of sculpture. I can show you the singing bowl here, like one. This is called singing bowl. So you can make a sound here, beautiful sound. Like this. You know, in the Himalayas before 15th century, 16th century, 17th century, till 18th century, till 20th century, there is no doctor. If you have a pain, like a headache, like a stomach pain, if you have a pain in the head, if you have any problem, so we use this kind of sound therapy. These sounds gives us energy to kill our pain. That's why we call it the singing ball. It's also very beautiful to play it. Like a same thing with the Pakinasa. So we are making one round around Thamel. Moving round. Pasmina shops you can see here. These are the pasminas. So yes, we just walk around. We can see our hotel. Yes, we had visited. This is the behind part. Even from here we can see our hotel. The hotel is called Samsara. Even you can see from here, the white one. So like this. That's it. I said you many times. We have a tourist this time. This is also but very less. It was like a March in April. It was like you can see the reconstruction of the building. Because even this is the commercial part. The Thamel is the commercial section. That's why they are destroying the old buildings and they are keeping building these kind of things. Maybe the owners they are going to rent these kind of houses or they are going to make a hotels also. It's very difficult to eat from your rupee because when you come to Nepal, you have to exchange your money. For example, if you have a dollar, euros, or if you have your local money, so you can exchange here. So you easily can exchange money. Round of this, we are in the other street, just walking smoothly. You see what is hanging on in the Thamel around the areas. These are for sale. These are the mountain equipment. I can see it's 999 rupee. That is nearly $8 or $9. So it's for sale. So this is for mountaineering people, trekking people. So I can see the other hotel is called Dalaila. This is also one of the beautiful hotel located nearby because this is the home of hotels. Thamel is the places of many hotels. That's why each and every step you can see this kind of hotel too. Art picture here in the Himalayas. So the Himalayas represents not only Everest. We have the high Himalayas located in northern part of Nepal. That's why they make the sculpture. They make these kind of pictures and they are selling for it. I can see the bracelet. So normally in Hindu women and Buddhist women, they are very familiar to wear this kind of bracelet. As you are traveling alone, as you are boy, as for your girlfriend, you can buy this kind of bracelet. Even if you are husband, you can buy the bracelet for your wife. I just little Everest, you see, because those people who go to trekking in the Himalayas, so they buy the map here. So this is the top of the world, the elevation of 8,848 meters. So this is the map of top of the world. They are selling for this. Many shops located here. You can see here this one too, very beautifully presenting this. So this one was Namaste. You can see this one. This is called praying wheel. In Buddhism, if you want to get peace, good luck, wisdom, enlightenment, if you want to get nirvana, if you want to move out your suffering from our life, Tibetan Buddhism, those people who live in Tibet, Bhutan and mountain part of Nepal, they say Om Mane Padme Hum, Taretu, that kind of mantra they speak 108 times, more than that, and they move from right hand clockwise. If they say Om Mane Padme Hum, it is for good luck. Normally we use for temple, and inside they may have book of holy book. It is called Tripitaka. In their language it is called Kangyur, where the Buddhist teaching is written. That's why they are selling it. It is for good luck. It is for peace. Thank you. So normally the tourists come to buy the things here. So this is the main street of the Tamil, so we are in the center. I can see the Italian, Indian and continental restaurant here. Let's come nearby. So you cannot find only Nepali continental cuisine, you can find Italian cuisine, even Malaysian cuisine, Chinese cuisine, Thai cuisine, any kind of cuisine you can find here. If you walk around, you can find this kind of restaurant. It's very popular in Central Tamil. I can see the books up here. This is called Sagarmatha Street. Sagarmatha is the top of the world. It is called Everest. In the Tibetan language, it is called Chomolangwa. We are in that area. It is called Mandala Street too. You can see the handicraft is very popular for your in your house, in your home. If you hang this kind of souvenir, this kind of handicraft is also very popular nowadays. It's quite more silent place because you are freely walk silent here because this street cannot allow it to entry vehicles such as motorbike, such as the taxis or cars. That's why you are free to walk around. That's why our clients, when they come to Tamil, they are not staying in the hotel. Even you can see this kind of restaurants, the Woodlands Cafe, one of the most popular and most tasty food you can get here, the Woodlands Cafe also. So this area, now we are walking. These things, even our clients, they are free to walk themselves. So you cannot guide them here because the hotel is nearby. That's why they are. This kind of stuff you can see. This is the mountain goat, as I talked before. This is the image of mountain goat. Because if you go to the Himalaya, there are so many mountains. That's why they take that kind of hair from the body and they make this kind of strap. So they are selling for it. They're waiting for the tourist to. I can see the Himalayan Chaba coffee is the best coffee. So I invite you to take a coffee here in Nepal because Nepal is the place, Nepal is the land where we grows the coffee. That's why here you can find the beautiful coffee, Himalayan Java coffee, upstairs, Himalayan Java coffee. So this place normally in Friday is too busy because Friday is our half day and Saturday we don't work. Sunday we work. That's why in Friday our people who work in the banking sector, who work in the commercial sector, who work in their private offices, they come here and they walk around, they chill out, they take a breakfast. Even there are so many pop music, I can see here. There are so many bar music. There are so many things to enjoy, to hang out. That's why this street is very popular for Friday. Friday is very popular. There are many people walking in the street. So the Tamil inside, we don't have big roads. It's a narrow alley. It is called alleys. It's a narrow road, but you can walk slow yourself through. So that's why you cannot see these kind of big things. You can see here, these are, we call it is a Thanka Mandala. It's written Om Mane Padme Hum. This kind of mantra it is written. It's a symbol of peace, symbol of good luck, and symbol of prosperity. So still more work. So hopefully I will see you with you. I hope to see you. You are walking to the right. This is the main junction of Thamel. So this is the junction where people can enter from east, west, south and north. So this is the main center. This is called Narasingha Chowk. So you can see this rickshaw. These are called rickshaws. Still we have, because I think in your country maybe 50 years ago, 100 years ago it was, but I don't know. But still we have rickshaws. Because some people they use as a transport to go from one place to another place. So this flag you can see three color, red color and yellow color. Red is the symbol of braveness, power, wisdom, and blue is the symbol of peace. And you can see here Kisan is the symbol of Hinduism, and the moon is the symbol of Buddhism. We have a two biggest religion in Nepal, Hinduism and Buddhism. 83% Hinduism, 11% Buddhism. And this kind of triangular is called Everest, and next one is called Annapurna. So this flag is Nepali flag, national flag of Nepal. The shop is the live shop. You can see it's a Kupuri. During the time of Second World War, the army is called Gurkhe because they were invited by Queen Elizabeth in England, and they were very bravery. They used this kind of knife to kill to the people from Argentina and people from Japan. That's why they became victory to kill all the enemies. That's why this Kupuri is very popular. It is made in Nepal. It is a symbol of bravery. They are called Gurkhe. Where you can find the good quality of Pashmina. Here you can see these kind of pashminas. You can find say themselves here. So this is from the hair of mountain goat. So they are selling is very beautiful. So these kind of things you see. So they have 100% pashmina. They are selling. Okay, so just get a picture. We are in the another street. So we are nearly going to reach to the another hotel. It's called Holy Himalaya. Even that reason, there are so many hotels nearby. It we've been before: Hotel Sansara, Hotel Thamel, and Hotel it we have visited. We walk through the many streets and so many roads. We are reaching to the other sections where we can see Hotel Holy Himalaya. It's a very famous brand where you can see the find the good quality of clothes here. That's why when you come to Thamel, you are not only staying in the hotel, because even yourself you have a free time, so you don't sleep in the room because you walk around. So it takes like a 2-3 hours to see all areas, to hang out the things, you know. So it takes like a 2-3 hour to finish all this part. Slowly, if you walk faster, then you can do in 1 hour. See the more walking. So I can see the laundry service. So those people who go to trekking, when they come back to the this area in Thamel, so they can give their clothes as a laundry also. So I can see the Korean restaurant. We saw the Italian and Thai restaurants, so they have a Korean restaurants. So if the people they want to taste different food, so even there are many choices in Thamel. So we are not compelled to eat typical Nepali food. So you can see this restaurant is called Gaya restaurant. It's very popular because you can make pictures here. Just take the pictures of the Gaya restaurants from here, where you can find typical Nepali cuisine like a dal bhat. So Nepali food, just like rice,
European.
vegetables. Even you can find the European also. European food too.
Eurasian. Yeah.
So we are in the second section of our tour, because this area I can see many hotels from here. Starting from here, I can see the Holy Himalaya is written there. So this hotel, they have a 100 room in this hotel. Left side, if you say this is called Holy Himalaya, even 200 people. If you have a group of big people, 200 people, even in one hotel, you can stay, you can sit. Around the areas, I can see there are so many hotels. As a small hotel, they have each and every hotel. They have a 20 rooms, 30 rooms, 40 rooms, 50 rooms. Either you can see the Holy Himalaya if from the left, and they have also from the right. They have the two buildings. There's more than 200, 300 people. They can also stay here. So right now, I think it is empty. After the old will be peace. After COVID, so this kind of hotel is ready to welcome you. That's why this area, not only Holy Himalaya, if you have 400, 500 people, even they can occupy here. So now it is closed, so we can see this kind of hotels from outside. We are very sorry because due to COVID, the hotel is closed. Just you can see from here, the Holy Himalaya, where 200 people can sleep in one. You can see they have hotels. front. This area also you can see the main hotel here. You can see the street, left hand side and right hand side, and each and every building, all parts is the hotel. That's why there is no tension. Either you come 500 people, either you come 700 people, big group. So we can easily keep our client attached by communicating each other, because only one hotel is not possible. This kind of big group, but we have a good relation. Even hotel also have good relation each other. That's why this area also. The tourists, they are waiting for that. So till 1 year we don't have a guest because this area. That's why they are waiting to welcome to the client. That's why they are making cleaning it. So this area, this town, you can even in the same time there are 5 hotels. So even in the 5 hotels, there is a possibility of live 300 people, 350 people. That's why this is the, also one of the beautiful area where you can stay. So they all are the attached. Just you can see this kind of hotel is starting from east part that comes to the west part. All area, all the hotels are attached. You know, it is a separate hotel, but they all are attached. That's why no need to go too far, because like 100 people, when we keep in one hotel, we don't go out far. We just keep nearby. So they all are attached. So I can see the Hotel Mulberry too. This is a 4-star hotel. It's called Hotel Mulberry. Because sometimes the clients, they have a choice to stay in the luxurious hotel. At that time, they can also stay in Hotel Mulberry. This is a quite expensive one. Rest of other nearby, they all are the 3-star. So they all are the beautiful, neat and clean, but they are all attached. That's why our client, our people, they also sleep in this area. This also. There are 5 hotels around this area. That's why 500 people can live here. 500 people, more than 500, 600 people. That's why either you have a big group, either you have a small group, so you are free to stay here. Around 500 people can stay. You can see the restaurant here. So if you live here, 400, 500 people, if you live in this attached hotel, even you can take a restaurant here. There's a beautiful restaurant, big restaurant. There's a big occupy of the people. That's why you can take a lunch, you can take a dinner, even in this restaurant. It's very popular near your hotel. So I'm seeing the buildings on the left hand side, like the red one, with the brick. They have also hotels. They all are the hotel sections. That's why no worry about they all. So even this area also, there are so many hotels. I can see the hotel Osho Home. these kind of buildings, I can see from here, when my eye catch, they all are the hotels. That's why it's very easy to stay here. Okay, this is also called Thamel.
Let's go slowly to Chaya and we will complete this. Okay?
Chaya.
Yeah, slowly to Chaya.
So now we go back to the place where we start out with. We are in this video, we are seeing these kind of things about shops, about restaurants, about the travel agencies, hotels, money exchange, so many things we see. But about heritage tour, about cultural tour, about the things about whole Nepal, actually, sure, as a tour guide, I should have to brief detail. That is in the next section. This is just a short tour, just the visible tour. It's like a film. That's why is no need to explain more about this. But sure about culture, about Hinduism, about Buddhism, about tradition, about religion, I will brief as a tour guide. So let's see. Let's go. Actually, this is apple. Actually, it's not from Nepal. We have a original apple that found in Himalayas. It's called Marfa. They are in small size. That's why they are not selling right now because this is not the season. They discover all kind of fruit like a banana, like orange. They all found in Nepal. They all grows in Nepal. That's why this is Nepal.
Buy something.
So you can say these are the shops. You can see the trucking agencies here, travel agencies here in the video. Even you can see these are the Chinatown also. We call it as a China area, Chinese area. We have also so many people from China to visit. That's why you can see the Chinese language. I cannot read, but it's the hotel. Because even Chinese people, they are coming here and they are also opening their own hotel. That's why this town is area is called, it's a Thamel but more Chinese bazaar. It's called Chinese market.
Chinatown.
It's called Chinatown also. So like a Chinese restaurant, so I can see Zhu Ding Yuan Hotel. Here you can see. Even the Chinese people, they stay here in the Chinese hotel. And this guy, he is requesting me to sit because this is called rickshaw. Rickshaw is the old transport.
Well, you can enjoy later when you come.
You can see it. People are taxis, they are waiting for tourists. Because these taxis, they are in the road, they are in the street, they are waiting for the tourists to go from one place to another place. So you can see really tourists here. In the street you can see the more Nepali people. They all are the commercial people. They live in Thamel. They are the owner of the business people. That's why these people, they all are the normal people and they are the local people of Nepal. So hopefully in the coming spring, you will see, if you are planning to come to Nepal, you can see many foreigners here. That's why here now you can see the local people. So all people, they are waiting for the tourists. The Thamel is waiting for the tourists. You know the Thamel is a touristic center, it's a touristic hub, it's a touristic area. That's why all the shops, it's very difficult to mention about the all things because the whole Thamel is waiting for the tourists. That's why you guys, you can also welcome to Thamel. You can enjoy yourself, you can visit yourself, you can feel yourself, you can motivate yourself to your friends. What you like to enjoy for fun, for breath, for buy. So this area is very popular. That's why I heartily welcome to you in Thamel, which is located in central part of country. You see they are selling it. There is road, still they are selling. Winter clothes is a rent sell. So now we are going back to the home from different route because we have to see all around Thamel because we see before this area, but I am going to take you from the other side to reach before. From where you can see more things. This road is the main road. There is a king palace because now we don't have a king. We have a Christian system. When the king was in powerful, the king palace is just nearby. Now that's a cemetery. So we are going from there. You can see the discussion here again. Because as I said you many times, it's the touristic hub. That's why there are so many things. Even the repeated shops you can see frequently, this kind of trekking equipment, travel agencies. So this is, you can see the repeated shop here. These are the trekking equipment. Hotel is called Hotel Airport. This is also new hotel, but when we become unable to give the clients because certainly this kind of negative circumstances is happening, so we become YouTube and become Yatri. You will hear our client trips. So there's a possible to use here. This is also one of the big hotel in the town. It's called Yatri. Here I can see the SIM card shops. Those people, those clients who come to Nepal, they want to go in Wi-Fi. So that's why they are able to buy SIM card for internet and for using data also. So this is the mobile shop. It is also located in Thamel. I can see the old house in the corner. It is a typical Dewari house. This house was built in 16th century or 17th century. During the time of earthquake, this house was getting destroyed. That's why right now the owner is going to renovate it. They constructed it for commercial section. First floor, the second floor and third floor. This is their living room. Dewari, they are the local inhabitants of Kashmir. place where the Nepali people, domestic tourists, they can come to see the movie. Even there are so many shops, there are so many things inside also. It's called Science Center. So this is one of the popular destination for the young couples. If they want to take a tea coffee to see the film and to buy the things, they come here. This is called Science Center. This is a big hotel nearby. This is called Hotel Alap. This is called Hotel at Alap. This is 5-star hotel. So this is one of the best hotel in Thamel also. That's why this Alap hotel. So that's why Thamel, inside Thamel, how the circumstances you see. You saw the old houses, you saw the new houses, you saw these kind of buildings, 5-star buildings, starting from the low levels. That's why Thamel is the mix between contemporary society and this kind of modern society. That's why you can feel any kind of classical heritage monuments and even relaxable things. That's why you can see this is the Alap Hotel, this is a new hotel from Thamel. Welcome to Science Center. This is Science Center. So standard people, so you can find the shops. So many shops in one building. So this is called Mini Thamel also. Now we are inside Science Center. So this is the Mini Thamel of Nepal. Mini Thamel of the area also. Where in one building you can find so many things. So we try to go left on the second floor.
It's not working. It's not working.
So the left is not working now. So we are working on the second floor. So this is newly made. That's why some places you can see the emptiness. Some places still you can see these kind of things. They are selling for it. Yeah, this is for rent 222. So before we saw the shops in the street. When you are walking in the street, you used to see. But here, this is a more luxurious shop. It's a more comfortable shop. If you have money inside your plastic items, in for MasterCard and Visa card, you are easily come to this place and to have so many things. So this is a big shop. Even in the same buildings, you can find many things. That's first. So you can see this kind of dress. Actually, we call it is similar to sari. Normally in marriage ceremony, in women they wear this kind of dress to they participate in marriage ceremony. This is the popular clothes during marriage ceremony in Nepal. This item, ladies item. So whatever you want to buy, even classical things, classical equipment. So everything is possible to buy here. So we go by left, we come for. It's a good view also. So now heading to left. It's still working. Christmas time there is a concert here. That's why the people, young people, if they want to celebrate New Year and Christmas, they can put that time, they can come here. Now there is this food restaurant. So we still saying more things in Science Center. Let's see. We go for fourth floor. Now we walk. Left. Let's see. So again we are climbing. Now again we are using left, hiking up. So here you can see you have heads. That's why you don't put the young guys. So if you want to see film, like in Nepal we have a Bollywood film is very popular. Even our film is also you can see, but Bollywood film is very unique here. So you can see the VFX cinemas here. That's why it opens from morning to evening. Night and VFX opens. So even here in Science Center, if you are planning to come here, so you can visit. So thank you so much for all the things. So we just visited around this Hamel. So as a tour guide, it's Narayan, because I'm sorry for some kind of things during my briefing. You know about when you come to Nepal, when you send the tourist, my duty is to show the old classical monument, old heritage sites, telling about the history, culture, geography, politics, contemporary society, modern society, even the living beings, and about old Nepal. Sure, I will brief you in the coming sections. So I am very glad to see you. Namaste.